Well, okay guys, I'm gonna be testing this thing today. So there's a pile, and I put another bucket underneath so we collect what comes down. So let's see. All right. All right. So let's see. Let's see what we got. Come on. All right. Comparison time. So let's see. We still got some sticks, but most of them are much smaller. So if I ran this couple times, and it's just broken, but it's not chopped. So I guess if I run it a couple times through this, maybe 3 times, then may be acceptable. All right. And let's see the blade before I shut this thing off. All right. Yeah, blade, no problem. No dents, nothing. Yep. Oh, still sharp as a heart attack. Anyway, so that's the difference. Takes the small ones and make them smaller, even smaller. So it kind of works. Maybe it needs 1 or 2 times running it through. So anyway guys, have fun. Talk to you later.